Big old cock.
You gotta go! You just gotta go! Way too close! That's way too close! Fucking do it! There's more of them. We're all going to jail, boys.
No water. From the first to say no water.
We just watched him hit a car right in front of us. Pull over, I got your plate! Woo!
We're out here, yo. I'm a Ghostbuster. Ah. How you been?
Good, about yourself?
I'm real good. Look, we're real friends. This is my brother.
Oh, hi, brother.
You.
How do you hold it? He's got good knees.
Look, see, you've got this one, and you've got this one, but you don't have a piggy. Let me tell you something. The shop f***ed up, and I got smalls and medium shirts. It's your opportunity to go buy a small shirt.
You don't have to cry. Oh yeah, that's Mr. Bones.
You need to buy him a shirt too, dude.
I appreciate you getting in touch with my son.
Your son wants to fucking support the guy. Tell him to support. I love it. Look at that. You really do. You have all of them. I should probably just give you a fucking sticker, honestly. You come here all the time. Here's one for free.
Thank you, Jay.
A big old cock.
They got hot dogs over there. I'm supposed to tell people. That's good, though. Why did he do that?
There you go.
Much better.
Just stay in the back.
Right?
Wow.
Everybody likes that.
You smell like cigar weed over here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You do it? God, where the f is y'all's cock? Hey! It smells like man in here.
Yeah, I sure hope so.
Sorry, I don't know who y'all are. I just thought that was fun.
I love it.
Let's leave.
This.
Right there. If I had turned around and he looked raging, I would have just kept going. Like, well, Ian, I'm going home.
It's the only smart thing to do.
Boys, doesn't it? Doesn't say boys anymore. Welcome to the we don't want to offend anybody scouts. Oh, and everybody gets a chance. What do you think you're missing out on? We in the woods. They're missing opportunities. You dig a hole and poop in the woods?
Opportunities that they don't want. We don't even really want them. I don't know why we do them. We just do hard.
We do. It's not fun. We pretend it's fun.
If men didn't have massive egos, we wouldn't do anything.
It will look Ronald McDonald if I got yellow.
Wow.
I'm buying a house, man. You think I can afford merch right now? Hey, go buy some of my merch. More people showed up.
You remember TheGardenSnake Patreon page? Oh my god, no, why should I be? Yeah, you should be. Hey, remember this guy? He joined the Patreon page. Now look at him. Bam, he's so hot. Oh, because he joined. Oh my god, where do I join? No, wait, I'll show you some more. This is what a non-Patreon video looks like. Look at it, it's so boring. PG rated, that's gay. Well, look at the Patreon version. All you have to do is spend $1 and you get the X-rated version today.
Oh, he's got the battery! Holy shit. We all can't stop, boys. Come on. Come on, we all can't stop, bro. We gotta roll, we gotta roll. I gotta get up here now. I don't know if anyone's fucking leading it because Llama stopped for that group. Hopefully, I don't know. He might have been involved with it. I don't fucking know. Was that Derek with his face all bloody? There's enough people. We gotta keep going. Hey! Guys, we're in a shark head. Way too close. That's way too close. Oh my god. It's so... That's not appropriate behavior on a motorcycle. Is this Super Dave? It's hard to tell the bike life guys Don't go rip through the traffic when it gets slow. You know what I'm saying? They're like, what? We're all going to jail, boys. That's a good looking car. There's more of them, but I mean, dude, fuck him. Oh! There's a cop up there. That cop is right here. Oh, shit. That cop right there is just like, oh, f***ing well. Come with us, it's great, come on. Ah! Everyone's grabbing their phone and running to the road. I feel like the Ghostbusters right now passing this building right here. Like I should pull the Ghostbuster mobile in there and unload my traps. Oh, it's a f***ing quad! Yeah! Killing it, dude. He's yeah! You gotta go! You just gotta go! Holy shit. Oh man! It's muddy!
We out here, yo. There's a fucking wasp. Holy.
No quads, right? No quads. From the person say no quad.
This isn't a quad.
Are we leaving?
I was waiting on you guys, but yeah, I'm ready.
You want to try to go out the back way so they don't follow us? Let's see if we can do it real fast. Where did Jake go? I don't know. He went over there. I'm sure he'll be back. There's only one way out. Okay.
We came back to check on
What?
You gonna be all right?
I'm concussed as dude.
Well, you can't go to bed.
No, I can't. That's all.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Do you remember what happened?
I've seen the footage.
Was it nasty?
It's like from here to here.
Could you see his brain?
No,
Just
just a skull.
a skull. I'm sputtering out of gas. I'm gonna go over here. It's dying. You didn't get your kickstand all the way.
It rolled forward.
Is this pee-pee, guys? Is this pee-pee? Is this pee-pee?
Woo! What's up?
We just watched him hit a car right in front of us, and he took the f off hard. Dude, pull over! I got your plate! Pull over, bro! Pull the f over!